Hi students, I hope that all of you very fine. As today I am going to explain from the first year syllabus, that is linear inequalities. Okay, this is the sixth chapter in your textbook. Okay, let us come to linear inequality. Inequality. This is the sixth chapter and this is the class number 1 and subject is mathematics. Okay. Linear inequality. First of all, we know that weightage of this chapter, how many marks will be asked in your annual examination? Yes. Here 2 marks, 1 question will come, and 5 marks, 1 question will be arise. Totally 7 marks question will become, 2 question will be coming, and totally for 7 marks they will be asking in your annual examination. Okay, let us come to the point of linear inequality means what? Okay, what is the meaning of linear inequality? Yes, let us come to the definition of the meaning of how can we define linear inequality. Yes, two real numbers, two real numbers are two algebraic expressions, are related by the symbol greater than, less than, greater than equal to, or less than or equal to, form an inequality. Yes, what is the definition of linear inequality? Means two real numbers are two algebraic expressions written by the symbol greater than, less than, greater than equal to, or less than equal to form an inequality. For example, yes, first one here, 2 is less than 5 and 6 is greater than 1, or called the numerical inequality, or called the numerical inequality, or called numerical inequality. These examples are called, such examples are called as the numerical inequality. For the second examples here, x is more than 5 and x is less than y, or x is more than 10, or some of the examples for or or some of the examples of these examples are called allies, or some of the examples of literal inequality. Literal inequality. I will repeat again this one. What is the meaning of linear inequality? Equal inequality is there. For showing that, for giving the statement of inequality, we have to use here out of these four symbols. For example, this like x equal to, that is 2x plus 3 is there now. This like are called linear equations. Linear equations are called. In place of equal to, we are going to write this symbol, or out of these four symbols we are keeping any one here, then the statement is stand for linear inequality. Linear inequality. Linear means what? It will be having the power index is only 1. Keep in mind, linear means the given equations or the given inequations are having the power or degree is 1. So here linear inequations are linear inequality is called. Okay, this like will be called linear inequality, and these two are examples of for this definition. And in that, these like examples are called, these like statements are called numerical inequality, and these are examples are called, some of these are examples are called literal inequality. Okay, in this numerical inequality there is no variables. If the inequality statement is along with the variables and numerals is present, this means such an examples are called literal inequality. Okay, let us come to next point. Rule. Let us come to next point, rule. Properties or conditions or principle of this. How to solve the given statement by using the rule here. Okay. Come to the next point, that is rule. Okay. Yes, these two rules are very important here. Heading you write rules. Simply you write rule. The first one, equal numbers may be added to or subtracted from the both sides of the inequality without affecting the sign of inequality. Yes, this is the first rule in your statement, in your this chapter. This is the first rule is what is the meaning of? First of all, we have to understand, we have to get this means. What is the meaning of this first rule? Yes, equal numbers may be added or subtracted from both sides of the inequality without affecting the sign of inequality. So what is the meaning of this statement? What is the meaning of this first rule? When I am going to an example, then you will get it clearly. Okay? Come to an example here. Yes, example I will write here. That is 2 is less than 6 is there. Yes, by seeing directly, we can say that 2 is less than 6 always. Otherwise, 6 is more than 2 also we can call. How to read the given statement? 2 is less than 6 or 6 is more than 2. Now come to this condition, come to this rule. Equal numbers may be added to or subtracted from the both sides of the inequality without affecting the sign of inequality. When you are going to add equal, here this is the condition, equal numbers, we have to add or subtract both sides of the inequality with equal numbers, then the sign of inequality will not change, remain same. Yes, I am going to add here, add both sides by 2 or 2 only. Yes, see here, add both sides by 2 in this given statement. Okay, what will happen? 2 plus 2 is less than 6 plus 2. This implies 2 plus 2 is how much become 4, and this 6 plus 2 is become 8. See again, the sign will not changing here. Nothing, there is not affecting on the sign of equality. The sign will be remain same. This is the rule. When we are going to add on both sides by equal numbers, or I am adding here in this, when I am going to, this is add both sides by 2 is there, I am going to subtract. Now subtract both sides by 2 only. Okay, again, yes, for this statement only, in this statement only I am going to subtract again by 2 only. So what will happen here? 2 is there, 2 minus 2, subtract means we have to subtract, we have to difference on both sides with same value. Yes, again the symbol you have right here, and 6 minus 2. Yes, simplify, we will get 0 is less than 4. The important point is this one. The sign of inequality will not changes again. When we are doing addition or subtraction on both sides by same value, equal value, then the sign of inequality will not change. Keep in mind. Okay? This is the main point of, this is the main theme of this first rule. By getting the first rule, what will get you? What will you understand? When we are going to add or subtract on both sides by equal numbers, then the sign will not change, remain same. Getting my point? Okay, let us come to the next point. Second rule. Come to the next second rule. I hope that all of you getting this one. What is the meaning of first rule? What is the property from the first rule? Very simple is there. In the given inequalities, we are going to add or subtract by equal numbers. The sign will not change. The sign is not altered. Okay? Okay. Both sides of the inequality, second rule. Both sides of the inequality can be multiplied or divided by the same value. Both sides of the inequality can be multiplied or divided by the same positive value, by the same positive value. Then the sign will not alter. Again continuing there. When we both sides multiply or divided by a negative values, then the sign of inequality is reversed. Okay. Yes, let us come to understand what is the meaning of the second rule here. Yes, both sides of the inequality can be multiplied or divided by the same positive value. We can multiply same positive number or positive value also we can divide or multiply. Then the sign of inequality not changes, not reversed. When we are going to multiply or divided by the negative value of the given inequality, then the sign of inequality will change or reversed, altered. Reverse means greater means smaller will come. Greater than equal to means smaller than equal to will come. Okay, let us come to an example on this. Then you will get very clearly. You will understand very perfectly. Okay, come to an example on it. First of all, I will go to multiply and divide by the positive value. Then what will be happening in the given statement of the inequality? Check whether here it will be changed or not. Okay. Okay, I am going to write one more statement here. That is, with 2 is less than 5, I will click here. Okay. All these both sides of the given statement of the inequality. So I am going to multiply both sides by same value. Multiply both sides by 3 to this one. I will call equation 1 to this one. Multiply both sides of the equation 1 by 3. You think it is okay? I will write one more time. Okay, don't get confused. The given statement I am calling equation 1. I am writing multiply both sides of equation 1 by 3. Okay. Multiply to both sides. As I am going to multiplying to this one. This is 2 into 3 less than 5 into 3. Yes, multiply 2 3 is 6, 5 3 is 15. See here, the sign is remain same. When we are going to multiply or divide by positive value, by the same positive value, by the same positive number, the sign of inequality will not change. Keep in mind, when we are going to divide also with the same positive number on both sides of the given inequality, then also the sign of inequality will not change, will not alter. That is the meaning of this point from up to here. This is the meaning of from here to here. When you coming to the next point from here to here, yes, this is I am multiplying both sides by the positive value. Then you can't change, you can't see the changes of in the inequality sign. Remains same is there. When we are going to multiply a divide, I am going to divide this one. Divide for positive value only. Think here. To divide both sides of equation 1 by 3 only. So what will happen here? Again see here. 2 by 3 is again less than 5 by 3. This value is always less than this only. Again the sign of inequality will not changing. By seeing that one, by getting this one points, we are concluding that when both sides of an inequality multiplying or dividing by the same positive number, then the sign of inequality will not changes, not reverse, remains same. Same will be remains there. There is no any one changes we can't see here. Getting my point? Okay. Come to the next for this meaning from here to here. What is the meaning of this sentence? When we are going to multiply or divided by the negative value on both sides, then the sign of inequality will reverse. This is very important point. Remembering point. Okay, when we are going to explain the given question, this condition, this rule is very important is there. So please be concentrated when I am going to explain this one now. Okay, come to the next point. Now I am going to take an example on the second point from here to here. Yes, now I am going to explain the one example on it. Yes, I am writing one linear inequality example here. That is, again I will write here 4 is less than 10. Yes. Otherwise 2 is less than 5 also. Again it will be coming same only when you are going to simplify. But I am going to 4 is less than 10. Yes. Come to the next. On this point, I am going to explaining this one. Okay. Multiply. I will call equation 1 to this one. Multiply both sides of equation 1 by -2. Now I am going to multiply both sides by -2. Then what will happen in the sign of this one? Okay, all these points are regarding to the sign of inequality only. Keep in mind, the heading only is there: linear inequality, equality, inequality. Inequality symbols there are. We can see 4 types of inequality symbols are there. Okay, let it. I will explain later. Come to this one point only here now. I am going to multiplying both sides by negative values, that is 2. Okay, what will happen here? 4 into -2 less than. I will write as well now. And 10 into -2. Okay. Now come to the next one. Multiply with the basic concept, with basic knowledge. Plus into minus 4 to the 8. I will not write this symbol now. I will simplify this again. Plus into minus 10 into 2 20. Yes. In these two values minus 8 and minus 20, in these two values, which one is larger? Which one is maximum? Which one is big one here? By the knowledge from the integers, that is negative integers, then we already know that if in negative values, which one is the less is there, no, that is the larger than the higher negative values. Yes, by seeing that one, we can say that here minus 8 is always more than minus 20. How was the it is? Yes, you know the number line, this is the mid zero values, right side will be coming positive values and left side will be coming negative values. Which one is nearest to 0? That is the biggest, that is the larger one, that is the big one is there. In these two values, which one is nearest to 0 is there? That is the big one, that is the maximum one. Here minus 8 is nearest to 0 is there. So that's why minus 8 is more than minus 20. See in the symbol of inequality what happening when we are multiplying by minus 2 to that one. Yes, when we are going to multiply both sides by the negative 2 values, the sign of inequality will be changing here. This is the main point, this is the understanding point is there, this is the remembering point is there. When we are going to multiply both sides by negative value of the given inequality, the sign of inequality will reversed. If greater than means less than will come, is less than means greater than symbol will be coming in the solution, in the last step after multiplying both sides by the negative value. Then the sign of inequality will changes. This is the remembering point. This is the important point when we are going to solve in the next coming examples in the exercise. Okay, I hope that all of you getting this one. Is what happening with the sign of inequality? When we are going to multiply by negative values, the sign will be reversing here. Check here. Before multiplying the given statement, the sign is 10 is more than 4 is there. When we are multiplying with negative values both sides by 2, then the sign will be coming minus this side. Reverse opposite side will be coming. Opposite sign will be coming. See, reverse is be happening here. So this is the main point. Okay, about it is the multiply is there. Come to the dividing. Okay, for this example only, I will take here one more example for understanding for getting the knowledge regarding to the reverse of sign when we are dividing by negative value on both sides. Okay, divide both sides of equation 1 by minus 2 only again. Okay, divide both sides of equation 1 by minus 2. Then what will happen here? Please be here all of you. That is 4 by minus 2 is less than, this is the last one, same as I am writing here, 10 by minus 2. Simplify this one, I am writing here, that implies, yes, divide, this will be going, the solution of the right side, left side will be coming minus 2, and simplify the right side one, this will be coming minus 5. So what happening here, which one is the larger here? Starting with before dividing minus 2 this one, the sign is 10 is more than 4. After dividing both sides by negative values to this one, the sign will be reversed here. The value of minus 2 is more than minus 5 because minus 2 is nearest to 0 on number line. That's why minus 2 is more than minus 5. This is the basic knowledge is there. We have to strong in basic knowledge of mathematics. Then only we can understand why it is minus 2 is more than minus 5. Getting my point? This is very important. Okay? By getting these two rules, what is the meaning of the first word? Equal numbers may be added or subtracted both sides of inequality without affecting the sign of inequality. If you adding or subtracting on both sides of the given statement, the sign of inequality will not change, remains same, constant. It will be same. For the first rule, this is the rules are very important when we are going to explain the examples. That's why I am repeatedly explaining that examples, these rules. Okay, and come to the next point. Second rule: both sides both sides of the inequality can be multiplied or divided by the same positive value, then the sign of inequality will not reversed when by dividing or multiply by positive value. Where we are going to multiply or divided by the negative value of the given statement of the inequality, then the sign of inequality will change, will reversed. Getting my point? This is the main point. Okay, I hope that all of you got it very clearly without any doubt. So I am going to add. Okay, now and one more point here. Here this S 2 is less than 5 and X is more than 6 and Y is less than 10 are called strict inequalities. Getting my point? Strict inequalities. Strict inequalities. Strict inequalities. Okay. One more point here. Such examples are called, such linear inequalities are called strict inequalities. Getting my point? The next point is x is less than equal to 5, y is greater than equal to 6, and 2 is less than equal to y. These examples are called slack inequalities. Excuse me. Slack inequalities. Okay, these are called as the slack, or these called as the slack inequalities. Yes, these symbols stand for the strict inequalities. Okay, strict inequalities. Okay, and these symbols are stand for the slack. Slack means what? Slack means what? Loose, not tight. It is full tight, means it is full strong. It is more less than 10 only. It is less than 10 only. The y value is always less than 10 only. It is the such a examples are called strict inequalities. What is the meaning of slack? Slack means little bit loose or untight. So here sometimes what happening, the value of y is equal to 6 will be coming sometimes, and after more than 6 is this one. Yes, what is the meaning of this one? The value of x is equal to 5 and less than 5 also coming. For example, what are the values of x here? Means 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, so on up to negative minus infinity will be coming here. This means this is equal will be coming, no? So that's why this less than equal to symbols or greater than equal to symbols are called slack inequalities. Getting know this one? Okay. After this point, in this chapter, we will study the linear inequalities in 1 and 2 variables only. Okay. 1 and 2 variables only. In this chapter, we will study about the linear inequalities in one variable and two variable only. That is x plus y is less than 10 in this way. This is called as the two variable inequality, and x is more than 10 is there. No? This is called as the one variable inequality. Getting my point? This is called as the one variable inequality. Okay, and this is called as the two variable inequality. Okay, in this chapter we will study the linear inequalities in the form of one or two variables. Getting my point? Okay, let us come to the exercise. Okay, now please recall all the points of the linear inequalities chapter, and before going to start the exercise examples, please I would like to aware you for recalling the knowledge of numbers. Those numbers definitions and examples are very, very important for understanding the exercise examples here. We have to know first of all, that is what is the meaning of natural number, and natural number is how can we indicate, how can we represent, how can we denote that. That is also we have to know the knowledge, we have to know that. And after that one, that is rational number or integers, means which numbers are called integers and which type of numbers are stand for the integers. After that one, real number means what, and real number means what. Real number is just the numbers on the number line. Think in your mind, please keep in your mind, the real number is the set of all types of numbers except complex numbers. Getting my point? The real number will be having natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers, irrational numbers. All types of numbers we can see in real numbers. The real numbers is the main set of all the numbers. Okay, what is the meaning of natural number? The natural numbers is all counting numbers are called natural number. The natural number is denoted by capital N, and it is will be starting from 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity. Just I will explain brief about the three numbers only, that is natural number, integer and real number. Please, without knowing these one, we can't understand the exercise examples. That's why I am explaining the natural number. The natural number is always in complete number. 1 will come, 2, 3, 4. The natural is not coming. 1.3 is not belongs to the set of natural number. Keep in mind. And 3 by 2 also, it does not belong to the set of natural numbers, because there is no such a numbers in this series, in this line, in these values. Getting my point? Decimal numbers, rational numbers, percentage numbers we can't see in the set of natural numbers. So don't consider this like numbers in the set of natural numbers. The natural numbers stand for all counting numbers, stand for the natural numbers. The natural numbers are starting from the 1, positive 1 to positive infinity. Keep in mind. Okay. Let us come to the integer. Integer is denoted by the set of, the integer is denoted by the capital Z here. And how can we define the integer? Means all counting numbers, 0 and negative, all counting numbers form an integer. The integers value will be starting from 0, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3, so on, plus or minus infinity. Okay, getting this one? How can we write? One more method is there to write this one. So on, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, up to so on. In this way also we can write this integers values. In one line only I wrote here, only right side only I wrote. This meaning what? This one only. This meaning what? This like only. Getting my point? Yes, these are the example for the integers. Please notice this carefully. Notice this carefully. In integers, we are having here negative value also, positive value also, and 0 also. Here left side will be coming negative values, right side will be coming positive values. In middle 0 is present is an integer. In integer we can see 0 value also, 1 to 4 also, 1 to 3 up to infinity also, and negative value also present in integer. Yes, getting my point? This is very important when we are going to explain the examples in the exercise. Okay, this is integer. Okay, what is the meaning of real number? Yes, real number are just the numbers on the number line. When we are going to define on the number line, this is the 0, 1, 2, 3 up to so on infinity, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 up to so on minus infinity. Okay, the real number is all types of numbers are there. In real numbers we can see all types of numbers. Natural numbers are there, real numbers and whole numbers are there, even numbers, prime numbers, all types of numbers we can see in the set of real number. On number line we can see all types of numbers. 0 is there, 1.1 also is there on number line. Yes, and all types of 1 minus 1.1 also is there. All types of numbers we can see on the number line. When we are going to write the x values are real numbers means by using the intervals. There are 4 types of intervals are there: closed, open, open, closed, closed, open intervals. I hope that all of you studied in first year class regarding to the intervals. When they are asking in the questions, write the values of x in real numbers means by using the intervals we have to write by using the intervals. Yes, what stand for this, what stand for this, what stand for this, what is the meaning of this? I hope that you know that, no need to explain again here. Simply my time will be wasting here. So now I am going to main point, that is exercise. Please recall all these points in your mind. Coming to writing the examples on the board. Yes. Come to the first exercise from the linear inequality. Please recall all the points of inequalities and numbers and rule. Come to the next, the exercise number 6.1. In that exercise number 6.1. Yes, in that the first one example is this, like is there: solve 24x is less than 100 when in that first one table question is x is a natural number. X is a natural number. And second one x is an integer. X is an integer. Okay, x is an integer. Yes, please recall the points, concepts of the inequalities. Before going to explain this example, I would like to explain one more point here. So what is the procedure of for getting the value of x? If x is a natural number and x is an integer is here, and the given inequality statement is in this way is there. Yes. For this statement we have to simplify. Up to getting the coefficient of x is positive 1 by using the properties, by using the two rules. Getting my point? The given statement is in this way is there: 24x is less than 100 is there. For writing the value of x, we have to simplify this given statement up to getting the coefficient of x is 1. Don't worry, whatever it will coming here, it will be coming. 1000 will come, -2 will come. Don't worry about this right side. But left side of the, for x side, the x value coefficient should be +1. Up to getting the coefficient of x1, we have to simplify the statement by using the first rule and second rule. Getting my point? Yes. How can we simplify this one? By using the two rules are there, no? Okay. Come to the solution of the first question. Yes. Now I am going to write the given question, given equation or given inequality, that is 24x is less than 100 is there. Write neatly here. I will write neatly this one, 24x, that is 24x. We have to simplify this one. We have to simplify this given statement of inequality up to getting the coefficient of x is +1. What is the coefficient of x here now? 24 is there now. We can't write the values of x. If 24 means here, we can't explain the values of x. X is a natural number. What here the coefficient is 24 is there now. So we have to simplify up to getting the coefficient of x is +1. +1. Nothing means positive present is there. Nothing means +1 coefficient for the x value is there. Okay. So which one rule will be applying here? First rule or second rule? I will divide both sides by 24 by using the rule second one. Yes. Be here. Okay. Divide. Both sides of inequality. I will not write that word here. Divide both sides by 24. We get, I will rub this one, otherwise you will get confused. Yes. Okay, after explaining this one examples, I will conclude this today's class. Remaining examples I will explain the next class. Okay. Divide both sides by 24. Then we get S. 24 x divided by 24 less than 100 divided by 24. Yes. For what value will be dividing to this 24? After dividing the coefficient of x will be becoming 1. Such a numbers we have to select here for dividing. Such a number we have to select, we have to choose for dividing both sides. When we are dividing both sides by 24, then the coefficient of x will be becoming +1. Yes? Okay, now simplify here. 24 on the 24, 24 on the 24 will be going. Then will be remains here only the coefficient of x is 1. Left here. Come to next one point. As it will be going with, I will go with 4 table directly here. 4, 25 here. 4, 6 here. Getting my point? This 25 by 6 will be coming. 4, 6 is 24. 4, 25 is 100. Okay. This is the last and very least statement of this simplification form. Then in this we can see that coefficient of x is 1 is getting known. Then we can say the solutions of x when x is natural number. Then the solutions of inequality, the given inequality are we can write. I hope that all of you getting this one. Up to getting the coefficient of x is +1, we have to simplify the given statement by using first and second rule. Yes? Yes, by seeing directly the given statement, I am going to divide it here. I went divided both sides by 24. When dividing both sides by 24, then we will get here, I am getting here +1 coefficient of x. Here, don't worry, whatever the number will be coming anyone, don't worry about these values. But the coefficient of x should become +1. Up to getting this coefficient of x, we have to simplify by using the first and second rule. Yes, I am using here by rule second one. Yes, by using the rule second one, I am getting the x is less than 25 by 6. Yes, now I am going to write the solution here. I am going to write the solution here when yes, please see here what are the values of simplify again this one. What will come here for this value only 4.4 only what will come 4.1 will come 4 point something will be coming. This like numbers is not present in the set of natural numbers and also not present in the set of integer also. Yes or no? But what is the value of x is less than 4.1. So what are the value of natural numbers from up to this point? What are the which values are present from 1 to 4.1? Yes, come to the first question here where x is a natural number. When x is a natural number, then the values of x are 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you getting my point? There is no 4.1 present in the set of natural numbers. Up to 4 we can take. Less than, is there no? This 4 is less than 4.1 or not? Yes. 100% it is okay. These are called as the solution set of the given inequality. These are called as the solutions of the given inequality. If you want to write in the solution set of the, therefore, the solution set of the given inequality that is 1, 2, 3, 4. For the first question is what? When x is an integer, when x is a natural number is what? By seeing this one only, by taking similar to this one only, we have to write the values of x when x is an integer. We know that already that which type of numbers we can see in the integers. Here what is the condition here? The value of x is less than 4.1, less than 4.1 integers. So when you want to write on the number line 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and -1, -2, so on is there, here so on is there. The point will be coming here, 4.1 is present here. The value of x is from here to this side. Getting my point? Means what here? So on -2, -1, 0, 1 up to 4. We can write the values of x because x here is an integer is area. The value of x is by using this one condition. The value of x is less than 4.1. 4.1 is not present in the set of integers. Negative value also will be coming here and up to 4 positive values will be coming here because this condition is less than 4.1 is there. No, we have to take less than how many are there now up to -infinity. We can consider the x values here. That is the main point. That is the remembering point here. Please don't confuse here. So I am going to drop this much. I am going to explain the x is an integer is there, no, for that. Okay. For the next second question, in that only when x is an integer, then the values of x are then the value of x are many are there, I will not list only, so on -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. When x is an integer, then the values of x are so on -2, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. When x is an integer, in integer we can see that negative value also, 0 also and positive value also. Keep in mind. Okay. When you are going to write the solution set of inequality or given inequality, you can write that also. That is so on -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. In this way we have to explain. In this way, have to write the solution for the given question, that is 24x is less than 100, where x is a natural number and x is an integer. The natural number means what will be coming here? That is 1 to 4 will be coming here. The values of when x is natural number, the value of x are, the solutions of inequalities are 1, 2, 3, 4 will come, because 4.1 is there, no. The value of x is less than 4.1 will be coming here. This is in fraction form, this is in decimal form is there. Okay, by using this only we have to understand here. Okay, I hope that all of you getting this one without any doubt. I will explain the remaining examples in the next class. Okay, take care, bye.